We're building a tool for anyone at a company to ask any question of the data that the company has. Whenever they're curious about how they're going to make a decision, we want them to use our tool to go analyze, discover, and figure out how their data works.
Hi, I'm Rob. I'm the CTO and co-founder at Sigma.
Hi, I'm Jason, co-founder and chief architect here at Sigma Computing.
Hi, I'm Mike, CEO at Sigma Computing.
Here at Sigma, we empower anyone to use their data, to ask questions, to do analysis, and to run their company on data. As a programmer, I'd seen dramatic advances in the technology that I could use. Using data for me had advanced dramatically over the last 20 years. But when I looked out to the mass number of people, the real people making business decisions, they were stuck with the same tools they've had for 25 years, the same spreadsheets. And so I wanted to build something that gave those people the same opportunity, the same empowerment that I felt when I got to use all this new technology. And I wanted to bring something to that broader market and really bring them into the same revolution that we've seen in data for programmers.
The world keeps changing around us and the dashboard doesn't change. And the idea that we can find all the information that we need to make the decisions that will help our business or our colleagues or our customers were somehow thought about by someone before us and that we can just look them up online is wrong. People need the ability to work in an ad hoc way. They want to be able to be creative. They have ideas, they have new questions, and we need technology that is going to be able to be as adaptable as those people are.
Spreadsheets were built for a world where all of the data you needed was on your PC. It's a world where you typed in the data and it was data that infrequently changed. We live in a world where every action I take, every website I visit, every click I do is a piece of data. You want to be able to access all of your data, the live data, and you want to be able to work with it at any scale and at any granularity. And to put that power into people's fingertips, it's radically different than the 25-row spreadsheet that you built 20 years ago.
We just completed a Series C financing, and we look forward to working with you as a future employee, as a partner, or as a customer to build that better future leveraging your data.
From all of us at Sigma, here's to where we've been, to where we're going, and the journey we'll take together.